How to disable voice chat from WhatsApp group. So if you want to turn off or if you want to disable your voice chat from your WhatsApp group, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Let me tell you that you won't be able to disable voice chats in a WhatsApp group. You cannot directly turn off the feature, but you can mute notifications by just simply going to your group info. Like I'll just simply go with the group info, which will be in the top, scroll down a bit, and you can go with your group notifications, go with the three dots, which will be in the top right, and tap on the group permissions. And here, if you have an option of turning off or disabling the voice chat, you can go and disable that. But you won't find that option on WhatsApp because we don't have that option yet. So just simply tap and hold on to that group and then go with the three dots, which will be in the top, and then turn off the notifications. Or just simply go with mute, which will be on the top of your screen. Tap on the bell-shaped icon and it will be mute. In this way, you won't receive any notifications for your WhatsApp group chat, for your voice chats. That's how you can disable voice chats from your WhatsApp group or turn off the notifications. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.